My name is Mary Thompson. I serve on the board of the SOM Ministries Victory House. I serve on this board for several reasons. Probably the main reason is because it is a Christian-based ministry. I like the work that Mark does with the men that come here who want to rebuild their lives and become productive members of society again. Every one of these men has tons of potential, and it's a shame that some of that potential has been wasted. So I really appreciate this ministry because of what it does. Because of life circumstances and poor decisions, they went the wrong way. But now they're trying to work their way back into society in a very productive manner. So those are some of the reasons that I serve on this board.